Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto pizza. First, let's get our foundation right. Begin with a quality pizza dough, whether it's a fresh store-bought option or your own homemade creation. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a perfectly crispy crust. Remember to lightly flour your surface before stretching the dough. This simple step makes a big difference in handling. Now for the star of the show, the pesto. Spread about 1/4 cup of vibrant basil pesto generously over your prepared pizza dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, it's time for cheese. A blend of shredded mozzarella and a touch of grated Parmesan works wonderfully. Feel free to customize with your favorite toppings, like halved cherry tomatoes, fresh spinach, or even some pre-cooked grilled chicken. With your pizza fully assembled, it's time to bake it to perfection. Carefully transfer the pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or a sturdy baking sheet. Bake in your 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You're looking for a beautifully golden brown crust and cheese that is bubbly and slightly browned, indicating it's perfectly cooked through. Once your pesto pizza emerges from the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For a final flourish, scatter some fresh basil leaves over the top or add a light drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Then, slice your delicious creation into 8 equal pieces and serve it warm to enjoy all the fresh flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.